FOMO, the fear of missing out. It's a very real issue that faces millennials and Gen Z at the same time, and I think what brought this about is the rise of social media and being able to look into people's lives on a very personal level. Do baby boomers feel FOMO? Can someone confirm this for me? Do baby boomers feel FOMO? Baby boomers are comfortable with shifts in technology? Okay, I guess it's just us. FOMO is a big pressing issue, which apparently 69% of millennials experience FOMO in their life, particularly millennials who earn over $75,000 every single year. More money, more problems, it seems. The big question to answer is, how do we actually stop fearing missing out on things and actually be happy with the choices that we make in our daily life? The thing is, FOMO is actually really important. The feeling of not being left out is something that has kept us alive for many, many generations. That fear of loneliness is built into our evolutionary psychology. However, the reason why I think this is because there is the rise of social media, being able to see into someone's personal life on a very intimate level without actually knowing that person. Really think about it. There are some people out there who think that they know celebrities on a personal level, so much so that they will invade their personal space because they follow them on social media. And this is why social media can make you feel really, really lonely. It can increase the amount of FOMO that you actually feel because you kind of feel excluded. You feel lonely. You kind of feel like you want to eat a tub of ice cream alone and cry about how no one loves you. That was a little bit too personal. I've had my fair share of FOMO, and I can safely say to you that I no longer experience FOMO. And the reason why that is because I've had a change of perspective and I've realized something that has allowed me to stop fearing this missing out. The concept that helps me stop feeling FOMO is the fact that your choices are incredibly limited in life. Essentially, with every opportunity that you take is another opportunity that you will eventually miss. So for example, if you go to a party, you can't be at the gym at the same time unless... But here's the problem. Now you are positioned with the paradox of choice. You feel as though you have infinite possibilities and infinite choices, which accidentally, in the end, you will be more unhappy with the choice that you make. This is a concept that is brought up in the book Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, where essentially he visualized the unhappiness of choice as an ice cream store. In fact, two ice cream stores. The first ice cream store, which only sells chocolate and vanilla, and the second ice cream store, which sells every flavor imaginable with every single topping that you could ever imagine. In theory, you will be much happier going to the shop that has less choices, the one that only sells vanilla and chocolate, because you are going to have a preference between these two options. You are going to leave that store with no buyer's remorse. You are going to know that you pick chocolate or vanilla, which you prefer over the other flavor, and you're going to have no regrets whatsoever. However, if you walked into the other store, you're going to be really, really perplexed. You are not going to know what to pick. And eventually, when you come out, you are going to be more unhappy with the choice that you made, because instead of Tunisian vanilla, you got French creamy vanilla. And you're not going to be happy with that choice, thinking, oh, what if I got the other one? What if I got this one? What if I got the sprinkles? What if I got the gummy bears? There are too many options, and so as a result, you are not going to be happy. This is the paradox of choice. Speaking of FOMO, make sure you don't miss out on clicking that like button, especially if you found value from this video. The exact same goes for the choices that you are making right now. You are making a choice to watch this video rather than do the productive stuff that you should be doing at this very point in time. Something that helps me make decisions is that I boil things down to only 2 to 3 decisions at a time. So just like you right now, you have 3 choices. The first choice is that you watch this video right here. The second choice is that you start watching this playlist right here. And the third option is that you close YouTube and you actually do something productive. Otherwise, I'll see you over there.